Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at the Ferrero collection. That's the Raffaella and the gold and the dark. So let's take a look at the back. Alright. Just let the camera zoom in there or focus in. Okay. So the Ferrero Rocher, Ferrero, right, I can't even say that. And the other one, Raffaello. Alright. Let's start opening this up. Now actually there's a little tab on there. It's kind of neat the way they do it. It goes all the way around the side. Okay. So we're gonna, if I can ever get into it, which, you know, these things happen. No, not quite. There's just a little tear around here. Okay guys, there was actually a little bit of plastic in there, so I'd like literally get my mini meat cleaver on it, whack. So first of all we have, here you go, so 5, 15. So let's look at the white one to begin with, see what this looks like. I must admit, these are difficult to get into. Oh, it's me. Alright, so that's the coconut one, guys. Let's look at the chocolate one, the dark chocolate one. And of course, the classic coloured one as well. Right. So we've got the 3 there, guys. So first I'm going to chop that in half. That's what that looks like. And that's the classic, and then there's the dark. Okay. So that looks like. I've got the centre, I've got the nut there, as well as that one. I'm going to taste a bit of that. That's very coconutty. I already know that one. That's very light and crispy. Very nice indeed. Great to pass around after dinner, which is what they were designed for. Goes down great with a coffee. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. That's a quick look at Ferrero collection. Thanks for coming along with me tonight, and I'll catch you in the next one.